Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find recent files and also start files. You're going to find Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and other file storage. You can add a file storage from here. So we're going to go back to recent. Here in the top, you're going to find the menu. And right here, you're going to find create. If you want to create a PDF, right here, you're going to find combine files. And here, you're going to find open files. So hover your mouse over create and then click on create a PDF. And then you're going to be right here. You need to choose which option you want. So this is creates a PDF from any format, multiple. You can choose between single file, multiple files, scanner, web page, clipboard, and blank page. So for example, I'm going to choose single file. And you can select any file that you want. For example, this one. Right here, you're going to find advanced settings. And click on create. And then your PDF will be created. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools like export, edit, request a signature, fill and sign, create PDF, and so on. Here in edit, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. You're gonna find convert if you want to convert the PDF. And right here, you're gonna find sign if you want to use your e-signature. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.